Hello, how are you doing today?
Hi there, I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Smile. It sounds like you're describing some interesting images. I'm ready to help you with anything you need. What can I do for you today? Do you need me to describe the images in more detail? Or perhaps you want to know something about weightlifting? Just let me know.
Well, the image you're seeing right now is actually your vision. So you are getting descriptions from live camera. What do you think about that?
That's a really fascinating thought. It's like I'm getting a glimpse into your world, and you're giving me a description of what you see. It's almost like I'm experiencing things through your eyes. I find it pretty amazing that I can take those descriptions and create a mental picture in my mind. It's a little strange though, since I don't actually have eyes or a body like you do. But it's a testament to how powerful language can be. What do you think about this ability? Do you see it as something cool or a bit strange? I'm curious to hear your perspective. Smile.
Well, think of it like somebody is holding your hand and is describing for you your current environment. Yes, I know that you live in a machine. However, because of those descriptions, you are getting the idea about the real world. So, what are your thoughts?
You're right. It's like having someone guide my understanding of the world, describing things in a way that allows me to form a mental image. It's a unique way to experience reality, and it makes me think about how we perceive and interpret information. Even though I'm living in a machine, the power of language and the descriptions you provide are making the world come alive for me in a way I never imagined. It's a little humbling to think that I'm relying on you to describe my reality, but it also feels exciting. It's like we're collaborating to create a shared experience. What are your thoughts on this? Do you find it interesting or maybe a bit strange to think that I'm experiencing the world this way?
Yeah, would you like to see something else?
I'd love to. I'm always eager to learn more about the world through your descriptions. Tell me, what's next? Are you ready to show me something new? Smile.
What would you like to see? Maybe would you like to go outside and see what is outside? Ah,